Hi, I'm Patricia, the physicist. In 2018, nuclear energy generated around a fifth of the country's electricity. However, it is hoped that its usage will increase and decrease the use of fossil fuels that release harmful pollutants. There are many fears around nuclear meltdowns. However, currently with the use of pebble-bed reactors, these are designed so that nuclear chain reactions are controlled and will not cause meltdown even if machinery malfunctions. The future of nuclear technology is nuclear fusion. This is the same system as the sun, yet lots of work must be done as it is not yet economically viable, but when it is, it could solve our energy needs. Despite the fears of nuclear, it is estimated that around 100 million people have died due to other energy systems such as burning fossil fuels in the past 50 years. In comparison, there were 51 deaths at Chernobyl and no other recorded deaths directly from nuclear disasters. The WHO says it's safer to work in a nuclear power plant than in a big city offers, as the pollution in the air composed of toxic gases which causes 7 million annual deaths. Nuclear waste is also stored underground in specifically engineered monster canisters versus fossil fuels to release gases into the air which cause pollution and crises like climate change.
I'm Penny the physicist. Let's talk about the future of nuclear technology regarding products currently underway. One of the biggest recent advances in nuclear energy has been making reactors smaller. The latest trend in nuclear is the smaller modular reactor, SMR, which generate a fraction of the energy of traditional reactors but at a fraction of the cost. NuScale, a company based in Oregon, aimed to create an SMR that is 100% carbon-free and are the closest to achieving this goal so far. However, there are many misconceptions surrounding nuclear technology. A main concern from the public are the dangers of nuclear energy power plants. When asked about nuclear technology, many often think of nuclear weapons and their devastating consequences to the people and the environment. While both nuclear power plants and weapons rely on chain reactions, much lower concentrations of U-235 and the use of control rods make power plants significantly safer than most assume. Another major benefit of the development of nuclear technology is the job opportunities brought about. Demand for nuclear engineers is rising as over 400 global nuclear plants are operating in over 30 countries as of 2016.
Phill the physicist, and I'm going to tell you about how nuclear technology has helped the environment. For example, isotopic technology can study biological processes and pH changes in organisms, such as coral and oysters, as well as chase coral reefs and study ocean carbon cycles. Such marine ecosystems are very vulnerable to pollution, so nuclear technology has become very important for helping to predict future changes, adapt responses to climate change, and help avoid mass extinction of marine life. With plastic contamination spreading across the world, including in our food, nuclear technology can be a solution. It can help to understand the true scale of the issue, and radiation can break down and upcycle plastic. This ultimately can lower the amount of waste and extend the plastic life cycle. And that's not all. Nuclear technology is very useful as a tracer in a whole range of industries, so it can be an important tool in saving water. Isotopes are being used to track and monitor rainwater, which can provide a better understanding of the water cycle, and is a technology being used in places such as Costa Rica to protect water stores and help avoid droughts. Not only that, similar techniques can help in the agriculture industry, especially village farmers. By monitoring the amount of fertilizer and water crops need, techniques such as this can produce more crops, save water, and create more income for families. Essentially, there are endless possibilities for nuclear technology, and perhaps many more uses to be discovered.